Pat Cooley, Mason.
Hello, it's August 4th today, I believe, 2025. My name's Patrick Cooley. I'm a Mason. I'm from Isle Falls. I graduated in 1978, and I do masonry work. And we're building a columbarium here at Union Cemetery. Okay, now they wanted a special columbarium to match the original caretaker's building back there. It had fieldstone, and it had fieldstone, but this is split fieldstone that's been cracked hydraulically. So you can see the inside. It's got a geode look to it, but it's natural stone. This is not fake stone. Okay, and then what they wanted also was roping, or grapevining, we call it for trade lingo. Okay, that's this. The idea of roping or grapevining is to make the joints look smaller. Okay, so that's what they did back in the 30s and 40s when they built the other stonework around here. And so they wanted me to do that. Okay, well, of course, all the masons that did that are long gone. So I didn't have anybody to show me. So I had to get on YouTube and research, and I have many stone jobs under my belt, but even then, it took all my experience to put this on. This is another level of masonry. It really is. Very challenging. Anyway, I got it on there. Okay, the limestone accents here on top and around the front are Indiana limestone. Indiana limestone is the most high dollar limestone in America. Okay, they mine it in Indiana, and a lot of our government buildings are made of Indiana limestone. There's only 2 buildings in Iowa made of Indiana limestone. One's our Mason's Lodge on the east side of town, and there's another similar building in southern Iowa that's made out of Indiana limestone. So this is a high dollar columbarium. This is black marble. Okay, nothing here is cheap. It's all top shelf materials. And we're going to build the second one on this concrete footing over here next summer. John and Pete Garrels are the general contractors taking care of this job. I'm just the hired mason.